Family dinners are more than just a mealtime routine. They are an important part of family life that provides numerous benefits. These dinners offer a chance for family members to come together, catch up on the day's events, and bond as a family unit. This daily ritual provides an opportunity for open communication, strengthens family bonds, and creates a positive emotional atmosphere that influences every aspect of a child's life. Children who regularly eat with their families have greater academic success, better communication and social skills, and fewer behavioral problems. Family dinners are also an opportunity to teach children healthier eating habits and mealtime etiquette. Moreover, family dinners might be the only time of the day when everyone is home together, which makes these dinners a crucial opportunity for parents to keep their children informed about what is happening in their daily lives, monitor their progress, offer support, and have quality family time. So, how can families make sure they have a healthy and delicious meal that is also easy to prepare? The answer is easy chicken recipes. Chicken is a versatile and affordable protein source that can be cooked in a variety of ways, making it an ideal choice. Some easy chicken recipes include roasted chicken, chicken fajitas, chicken Caesar salad, and chicken stir-fry. These recipes are quick to prepare and can be customized to fit any family's tastes and preferences. For busy families, slow cooker recipes are great options, as they allow the family to come home to a fully cooked meal. Whether grilling, baking, or frying, chicken is sure to satisfy everyone at the table. With these easy recipes, families can enjoy delicious and healthy food together without sacrificing taste or nutrition. So, make sure to prioritize family dinners and enjoy the benefits they bring to your family's life. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and healthy chicken stir-fry. This meal is perfect for those busy weeknights when you need to whip up something quick and easy. The beauty of stir-fry lies in its versatility. You can make it with countless combinations of ingredients, sauces, and spices to create unique flavors and textures. For this recipe, we'll be using tender chicken breast strips, colorful vegetables such as carrots, broccoli, bell peppers, onions, and water chestnuts, all pan-fried in a savory sauce. To get started, you will need the following ingredients: soy sauce, sugar, cornstarch, spices. The specific spices used in the recipe are not specified. Chicken. Vegetables. The specific vegetables used in the recipe are not specified, but water chestnuts are mentioned. Sesame oil. Rice. To prepare the dish, you will need to marinate the chicken in a mixture of soy sauce, sugar, cornstarch, and spices. Then, cook the vegetables and water chestnuts in sesame oil. Next, cook the marinated chicken and stir in the veggies and reserve marinade. Finally, boil until the chicken is fully cooked and serve over rice. Now, let's get cooking. Here are the step-by-step instructions. Heat the oil. Heat 1 to 2 tablespoons of peanut oil in a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Add garlic and ginger. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of minced ginger to the wok and cook for 1 minute. Cook the chicken. Add 1 pound of sliced chicken to the wok and cook until browned and cooked through, which should take about 4 to 5 minutes. Add vegetables. Add your vegetables of choice, such as sliced bell peppers, broccoli florets, sliced onions, and water chestnuts, to the wok and stir-fry for a few minutes until they are slightly tender. Add sauce. In a separate bowl, mix together 1 cup of chicken broth and 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Pour the mixture into the wok and stir until the chicken and vegetables are coated. Simmer. Let the mixture simmer for a few minutes until the sauce has thickened slightly. Serve the stir-fry with rice or noodles. Sprinkle with chopped green onions or sesame seeds, if preferred. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy chicken stir-fry that can be made in no time. This dish is not only tasty, but it's also an excellent source of protein and a great way to increase your daily intake of vegetables. So go ahead and give it a try.